You've probably heard the phrase, calories in versus calories out. It sounds simple, right? If you eat more calories than you burn, you gain weight. And if you burn more than you eat, you lose weight. But here's the truth. While the math is technically correct, the reality is a lot more complicated. Let's start with calories in, the food and drinks you consume. It's easy to track calories in theory, but in real life, labels can be inaccurate, serving sizes can be misleading, and most of us underestimate how much we actually eat. Now let's look at calories out, the energy your body uses. This includes exercise, yes, but also things like breathing, digesting, walking, thinking, even sleeping. This is called your total daily energy expenditure, or TDEE. And guess what? It's different for everyone. Here's where it gets tricky. Your body doesn't burn calories like a calculator. If you eat too little, your metabolism can slow down. If you lose weight, your body burns fewer calories to protect itself. This is why some people plateau, even when they're doing everything right. And not all calories affect your body the same way. 100 calories of candy and 100 calories of vegetables don't do the same thing inside you. Quality matters as much as quantity. So yes, calories in versus calories out is still the foundation of weight loss, but it's not the full picture. Your hormones, sleep, stress levels, activity, and food quality all play a role. If weight loss were just about simple math, everyone would have it figured out by now. The truth is, your body is more complex than a calculator. And to lose weight effectively, you need to work with your body, not against it. If this helped you see the truth more clearly, subscribe for more no-fluff health videos. The more you understand, the easier it gets.